The Paris Plan. Bonsoir and welcome to the Paris Plan. Ce soir, I'm in the 17th arrondissement, and it's really hard sometimes to find a place to eat in Paris just because there's so many. But I've heard great things about Janine. It's Thibaut Sizun's restaurant, and I'm really keen to check it out. On y va. Bonjour, alors bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
So this restaurant is called after your grandmother,
Yes.
Is that correct? That's a nice thing to do.
Yes, that's for the little story. I start in the kitchen side for 10 years, and that's my grandmother who teach me how to cook and how to enjoy food. So nobody in my family was a chef, and I was like, okay, I like to cook. Maybe I can do a career in cooking. So I started working in Michelin star restaurant in Paris, and then I start to travel a little bit. So my English is a little bit rusty, but I think it's still good. And I start to be interested in wine, and I was like, okay, I know the both sides of the business, I know the cooking, and I know the service and the wine. Let's open a restaurant, and I want to call it like Janine, like my grandmother.
And so the dishes, they're traditional French cuisine revisited with a special touch.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about.
Open a restaurant as a restaurant I like to go when I go out. So I was like, I like French food, I like French terroir, I like the product. So I was like, okay, I want to open a restaurant like this, but I want to do a little twist. So not all the dishes are twisted, but some are a little bit more modern, more funny and more, how to say, enjoyable for a party of 4 or 5 or 6.
So this is the Boudoire, which is a lovely little piece that accommodates 10 people for dinner. You can close the door, it's completely privatized, and it's like having a special dinner at home where you don't have to do the washing up. It looks really cute. I feel like I'm at somebody's house. Was that the idea?
Yes, a little bit. I was not planning to open a big restaurant like this one, but as you see in the video, the restaurant is like 3 different small rooms, so like you feel complete at home. And also a lot of the furniture come from my grandmother. Yeah. It's the table of my grandmother. The painting you can see on the wall are painting from not Janine, but my grandmother from the other side. And all the pottery also, it's something from my childhood. And I was like, okay, I want a restaurant with old school decoration, because it's how I like it when with the food we serve. And you will see after, the plates are all fine, I don't know the name in English, but in brocante. Mm-hmm. So it's all used.
Second-hand sort.
Yes, sorry, second-hand. So it's, yeah, I like the spirit that like you feel at home.
Yeah, so it's kind of like that flea market, but it's not trying to be authentic. It is authentic. Yeah. It's even better. So what will we be eating tonight? What's on the menu tonight? The idea is that it's like a smaller choice, but yes, the chef can really go to town. Is that the idea?
Yeah, we have a menu we change every 3 or 4 weeks. And also we have ardoise, like in the old school restaurants, or you have few dishes we change every night. Mm-hmm. It's depend what we have in the market, what chef and the kitchen team feel like to cook. So we have few portions every night. There is still vegetarian dish in the menu, 1 starter and 1 main course, always. And if you want to try the full experience, 1 dish we never change on the menu is the rabbits. It's rabbit I like eating when I was a kid, but I make it a little bit modern, so it's totally deboned, very easy to eat with a tarragon mayonnaise. It's very nice.
And why did you open it? I know that you wanted to make a place that was nice and cozy, but why are you really passionate about doing all this work to have people come into this home-style bistro?
I want to have people coming in my restaurants to have like my way of a good night. All the servers are in t-shirts, but they know the stuff. So it's like being at home with friends, with no dishes to make at the end, no market to make at the beginning, and just the Uber to take you home. So easy.
Wonderful. It's casual yet sophisticated.
Yes.
Can we have a look in the kitchen?
Yeah, of course.
Let's go. Qu'est-ce que vous faites là?
Et ce qu'on fait là, ils sont en train de se mettre en place pour le service. Donc vous avez toute la partie du chaud qui se trouve ici et la partie du garde-manger qui se trouve juste là-bas avec Hugo. Et voilà.
Ça c'est le
cadeau qu'on met en suggestion pour la carte pour ce soir. C'est pas à la carte, c'est des choses qu'on fait en plus. C'est la saison du gibier là en ce moment. France et donc on s'amuse avec du perdreau, du lièvre, des faisans.
La cuisine reste sophistiquée.
La cuisine est sophistiquée, ouais. On fait quand même, on a un gros travail dans l'assiette. On essaie de travailler pas mal sur les saveurs, sur les associations de goût. Même si ça reste une cuisine de bistrot et une cuisine accessible à tout le monde, on essaie quand même d'y mettre beaucoup de goût. Ça nous fait plaisir à nous, aux équipes et aux gens qui viennent manger chez nous.
Quelle est la spécialité de la maison?
En ce moment, il y a le lièvre à la royale, c'est une des spécialités de la maison. Et sinon, on a à la carte, on a le lapin avec la mayonnaise à l'estragon et au piment. Ça, c'est un classique qui reste toute l'année. Et le pâté côte, qu'on change au fur et à mesure des saisons et au fur et à mesure du temps qui passe.
Cool. Et si c'était vous qui mangez ce soir, vous mangez quoi?
Si c'était moi qui mangeais ce soir, je mangerais du pâté côte, ça c'est sûr parce qu'il est vraiment excellent. Je mangerais du lièvre à la royale parce que c'est la saison et qu'on n'a pas beaucoup de restaurants à Paris et de bistrots qui en font. Voilà, je mangerais ça. Et en dessert, je pense que je prendrais la mousse au chocolat parce qu'elle est vraiment excellente.
So it looks like a dessert, but I don't think it is. Oh wow. Oh my god. Look like a bee or maybe a echidna, but it is in reality a mousse au chocolat. Oh, super tender. Definitely the best dish of the meal, the soirée. Super light, super chocolatey. Little wafers. Crisp, thin, delicious. Don't skip the dessert when you come to Janine.
Merci beaucoup.
On a très bien mangé.
À bientôt.
La prochaine fois, je mange pas.
Et revenez vite. Au revoir.